This is the T pipe over the entrance. As you can see, the one to the right just simply take air from cavity, and so make the cavity under pressure, so that the pressure outside and inside will push the skin, the inner cover, and both the inner cover and the outer cover to cling to the structure, to cling to the structure, so it won't flap, damage the film. So that's the idea. And this hole to the left, that will bring fresh air in, so push the fresh air slightly in. So this means the greenhouse is slightly pressurized, while the cavity is slightly under pressurized. So the two work together. The synergy make the inner cover to cling to the structure even more. So that's the whole idea. 给大家看一下这个哈，这是那个从夹层吸气的那个风扇啊。这个风扇呢，就是用的是还是后倾式的这样一个风扇，现有的实际上是我们把它拿来啊，然后呢给它加上这样一个机制啊，就是它一个就是你要往外这个从那边鼓气过来啊，空气一冲击它就会打开，但是呢它一停止呢，因为负压的缘故，它这个就关闭啊，不会让这个外边的空气进去啊，所以这样保证它里边是负压啊，所以它工作的时候它就是负压，那么不工作它可以保持负压啊，只要整个这个夹层里头气密性好，它就保持负压，是这么个原理。Okay, we look at the corner from the outside, and you can see you just fill the space with bricks as much as possible, and then finish the rest with concrete. Now we're filling the gap for the corner, because this is the elbow, half of the elbow, and then for that reason there will be a strange triangle opening. So right now Xiaofeng is using brick and concrete to pile it up, and then fill that space. This solve the problem. At the same time, it secure further, hold down everything and secure this area. Okay, today we did some work by installing the channels, the channels to attach the film. So basically a channel, and then film over it, and then a spring, spring to push the film inside the channel, inside the groove, and then hold it there. So that's the stuff. Anyway, Xiaofeng finished the corner with concrete. You can see it's pretty good, and forming a slope. So and then we need to use silicone to fill all the gaps, and to make sure there's no leakage. So next step, we are waiting. We order more of this, another piece, because I destroyed it by cutting, at the wrong position. So I order another piece. While that piece comes, we can simply lay the pond liner on top of this sand surface, and then we use that channel to attach the edges, to hold the edges, all over, on the three sides. And this side we can also do the same thing, or we can use other means to attach the film. Then simply we just cut a gap, just use knife to cut open that section, and that's it. I finished the sand bed. Then we simply use that ramp to bring more sand, on top of the pond liner. So that's a lot of work, but it's pretty straightforward. And then Xiaofeng finished this little space to house the Y filter. There's two, one to the left, one to the right. It's hard to see, but one for the drain and one for the soap liquid feeding tube, feeding port. So anyway, so this is flat, so we simply put a piece of wood or something on top of it to close it. So when we need to service, we take it open. Okay, yeah, that's it. This is this side, this corner to the concrete done. This we haven't installed the channel, but because this is the entrance, we'll do it last. And this is another corner. Pretty good. We're waiting for the connector, then we can connect this tube and then finish the the line. Okay, Xiaofeng is doing this, and he's also doing the outside. We need to close off the outside as well. Yeah.